How we explored Vietnam's wild forest in the rain. No crowds or noisy engines here, just you, the paddles, and nature. It's an amazing place with acres of untouched forests. The rain started right after we bought our tickets and didn't want to stop. We rode at twilight through narrow channels among the tropical thickets as a light rain fell. Flocks of storks were constantly flying out of the bushes. We released a lost turtle back into its natural habitat, wet but happy. It's moments like these that you remember for a long time.